Hey guys, Chris here with 9 to 5 Escape. Today we have an update video for you. So a lot of you have been asking how well the Plasti Dip has been holding up, and just from regular road use, some off-road trails with the 4Runner, you will have some nicks throughout the Plasti Dip, and really that's the most damage that this thing has been seeing. There's no melting points, there's no bubbling, there's no peeling anywhere. Even with the Arizona heat, we're not seeing that. So the one gripe that I do have with the Plasti Dip is the bug splatter. Just because of the rough texture the Plasti Dip has, it is tough to kind of scrape that or rub that off. So when we did this back in 2018, I did 7 coats. That's about 1 can per bumper valence piece. So I believe the cans are still ranging from $8 to $10. That is way less money than spending on parts from Toyota to get these pieces black out of the factory. So in my opinion, I think the Plasti Dip is the way to go. It's going to save you that money, and it holds up pretty well. So if you guys have any other questions on any updates from the modifications that we've done in the past, let us know in the comments section below. And if you think this video was good, throw us a like, hit that subscribe button, and maybe that bell notification for future updates. And yeah, so thanks guys for watching.